Hey YouTube, what's up? My name is Thomas and welcome to the first video on my channel. I am truly excited to be here today and I'm excited to have each and every one of you join me here today, whether it be one or many of you. I've been wanting to do this for years, for probably about as long as I can remember, probably about a decade at this point. And this being some form of giving back to the community, giving back to others. I know from a long time back, I always wanted to teach in some way or mentor. I didn't know what that would look like or what form that would take. I always thought that that would end up looking something like maybe a book. I've probably annoyed some of my closest friends over the years talking about this book that I'm writing. So I've always thought it would be something like that, but over the last couple of years, I've also thought maybe some sort of interactive website. Maybe it's some sort of video thing. Maybe it's some sort of UI UX diary. I've thought about a lot of different approaches to this. I knew I wanted to give back in some way to the community. I figured with the turn of the year, the turn of the decade, why not make a resolution? I mean, everyone's doing it, right? It's a good time to do it. But I've actually had pretty good success over the years with resolutions, and that's kind of I credit it for a lot of how I've got to where I was because, another video, another topic, but I've always kind of made these little mini resolutions for my life throughout the year. It's not always around the first of the year, but yeah, so I decided kind of coming into 2020 that I wanted to get this content out there. I wanted to draw a line in the sand and say, this is the year I'm doing it. And the more I thought about it, it's like, well, why not use YouTube, right? I mean, for as much as I consume YouTube, the format's modern. It's not a book. It's not print. I mean, that's an old way of thinking, I think. But it's also a better way to share the content, right? It's a way to engage viewers. That's part of what I love about YouTube is that people comment, good or bad comments, hopefully good, but people comment, they engage with you, they talk back and forth with you. You get stories from people about how you've affected their lives. And I love that type of thing about YouTube. I think this channel can be a great creative outlet for me, which is part of why I'm excited about this. But I also think it can be hopefully a good place for all of you to pick up something that helps you in your day-to-day career. Whether you're a brand new designer, developer, creative, fresh out of school, worried about the market and how you're gonna navigate your way through the gigantic field of questions that you have, like I had back when I was fresh out of school, or you're someone with 15, 20, 30 years of experience. I'm really hoping that these videos benefit everyone and have a little something for everyone. So what do I plan to cover on these videos and on this channel? Well, I have a feeling like it's going to cover a lot of the user interface, user experience realm, right? That's what I have my experience in. But I also feel like there's a lot of other things that I will be covering on this channel, maybe some tutorials about different software or plugins or techniques that I use in software like Sketch or Adobe. But also maybe it's some other things. Maybe it's some unboxings. Maybe it's some one-on-ones. Maybe it's some portfolio reviews. I'm not really sure at this point. And that's part of what I'm relying on each and every one of you is to help me define what this channel is going to be, because it's about me giving back and helping others. So yeah, feel free to just be kind in the comments, but feel free to comment. Feel free to let me know what you think, things that you would like to see on this channel, maybe questions you have. And, I do a full-time gig during the day, but I'll do my best to get back to all the comments that I possibly can. And who am I? Why do you really care about what I have to say on this channel? Well, I hope you do. I hope that you have an interest in topics like user interface, user experience, design, development, really any of the creative fields. But I feel like I've had so much experience in so many different industries, right? Like that gives me a unique viewpoint to share this content with you and to create cool content for you. I've worked in healthcare, I've worked in oil and gas, I've worked in the telecom industry, I've worked in the used car industry. I've worked for companies big and small, all the way from startups, bootstrap startups, all the way up to enterprise level companies. And I've also worked freelance for many years, which gives me a unique viewpoint from the entrepreneurial aspect of things. And I guess just all of this really helps me to make these videos for you. I feel like I have so much to share, and I'm really looking forward to hearing what you think about it. So will my videos suck? I don't know, I hope not. How does it look? I hope it looks okay. I've been working pretty hard on making it look okay. But I bring this up because I ask for your patience. Video is not something that I have done a lot of over the years. It's not something I've done really much of over the years. I've had a lot of experience in many other creative fields, in painting, in music, cooking, lots of other creative type outlets, but never video. I've stayed away from it and kind of on purpose. I know that video can be tricky to get it done right, to get the lighting done right, to get the audio done right, to make it interesting and engaging. So yeah, I've never really gotten into video, and that's why I bring this up is that over the series of these, I hope that I get better. I'm excited to have you kind of learn this with me in the video editing process. But just let me know in the comments how I'm doing. Am I doing good? Am I doing bad? Just be a human. Just be kind in the comments and give me some constructive feedback, not hateful feedback. So that's all I ask. So that's it for today. I really just wanted today to be kind of a personal video, one-on-one style video from me to you to explain who I am, where I come from, just a brief general overview of my channel. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope that you're looking forward to future videos, and I hope you join me here for future videos. And please, do the subscribe thing, the like and subscribe thing, wherever that's at. I'm not going to be the guy that is constantly asking you to smash the like button because honestly, I can't stand that. But it does help me know that the content that I'm creating for you is valuable. So please do like and subscribe. That way you'll get future videos and you'll see more of my content. But that's it for today, and thanks for joining me with the 5 to 7 minutes. I really appreciate your time, and we'll see you on the next video.